With over 30 years in the business, Johnford has become one of the most trusted heavy machine tool brands in the industry. We listen to customers, and each machine is customized to perfectly match your requirements. Working with our global network of agents and dealers, our design team can quickly deliver the machining solutions you need, no matter how big the challenge. Our design teams are specific to each product range, so we can deliver the focused expertise to solve your manufacturing challenges. Using the latest software and techniques along with our 3 decades of experience, you can count on Johnford to deliver your heavy machining solution. Johnford's double column and sliding double column machining centers are designed for the very largest and heaviest cutting. These machines are already widely used in aerospace, automotive, mold and die applications around the world.
For the last, 10 years now, we've been running Johnsfords at the shop. We've had 48 between singles, doubles, spindles, horizontals. Very reliable, service is great.
With our massive headstock, saddle, bridge, ball screws and boxways, these machines can easily handle table loads of up to 44,000 pounds and maintain the precision that our customers have come to expect from our machines.
The Johnford machines are popular because they're a good value. They're a heavy-duty machine. The price is reasonable for what you're getting. The cost versus what you're getting, it's a good value. That's how the product sells.
Our DMC series feature wide travel of up to 110 inches, and these can be custom built to even larger sizes. Best of all, Johnford gives you all of the things you need as standard equipment, not options, including high-capacity tool changers, chip removal systems, enclosures, geared heads and so on. But all of this comes at a price that is very competitive indeed.
These machine tools are suitable for all fields of industry. Of course, metalworking field, but generally in energy field, in naval, also in machine tool field to prepare other machine tool parts.
The SDMC series machines are the moving column bridge mills that Johnford is famous for. With their stationary table design, these machines can offer X-axis travel of 480 inches and more. Most of our customers for SDMC machines are custom designs, and we have some special options available too on the larger machines, such as the full 5-axis contouring head or the 5-face head for complex geometry components. For our larger DMC and SDMC machines, we can also offer a range of heads and head changers, including our own design 5-axis head.
Well, we represent Johnford in the market of Denmark, and as Denmark is one of the leading manufacturers of wind turbines, one of the major customer types for the last 10-15 years has been the wind turbine industry.
Johnford's new BMC 160 builds on decades of experience to deliver the most powerful and heaviest horizontal boring mill in its class.
We bought it because of capacity, size of the machine, the name in itself, because of rigidity. We were looking for that to begin with. We do a lot of large components, mining, power generation predominantly, but large diameters up to 90-100 inch.
This machine is a solid meionite casting of over 50 tons with a powerful spindle for heavy cutting with precision. This series of machines is designed with the moving column for the Z-axis and a moving table design for the X-axis to maintain constant support over the whole X-axis travel. The powerful quill-type chrome molybdenum spindle on the BMC 110 is nitride hardened, ground and lapped, for the highest precision performance.
And we've sold a couple thousand machines over the years. We have a lot of installations in a variety of industries. Because of the way the machines are built, they can do anything from job shop to aerospace, energy, automotive. There's almost no area of manufacturing we can't go into with the product.
With massive boxways, slant bed design and powerful high-torque gearboxes, Johnford's turning centres have a reputation for getting the job done very well without breaking the bank.
We're like 98% aerospace, very beefy machine. They just run our parts very well, good quality, hold good tolerances. So,
our ST series machines are the standard in the oil field industry for heavy pipe turning and threading, with high power 2 to 4 speed gearboxes and excellent access with the 60-degree design. Whatever the size of your job, Johnford can build the right machine for you. Whether you're turning heavy castings, shafts or feeding large bar stock, Johnford can custom design the machine to perfectly suit your requirements.
Customers in Denmark is choosing Johnford primarily because Johnford is capable of producing special purpose machines, which is very well suited, for instance, for the wind turbine and also for the larger parts making industry.
Well, since we have longevity with the product line, we've built a very large spare parts inventory over time. We have several $1 million worth of spare parts. We can support machines that are 20 years old to brand new. We have experienced service staff that's been with us a long time. They know the product very well.
Because MCL with Johnford is really one team, we met special projects in different countries on the world, like Saudi Arabia, Emirates, including India also, not only Romania.